What is the rarely discussed impact of the compact clause? Imagine a puzzle where pieces start as separate, each representing a state's sovereignty. When these pieces connect through agreements, they form a bigger picture. The compact clause plays a key role in how these pieces fit together. It is part of the United States Constitution that says states can make agreements with each other. But there's a twist that many don't talk about. Once Congress gives its approval, these agreements become part of federal law. This means they are no longer just between states but are enforced by the federal government. This change can shift power from individual states to the national level. States initially have the right to make their own deals, but the compact clause limits this freedom once Congress consents. The agreements then have the same force as federal laws, which can override conflicting state laws. Federal courts can enforce these compacts, and state courts must follow federal interpretation. This process often surprises people because it means states give up some control. They can't change or ignore the compact once Congress approves it. The Supreme Court has the final say on what these agreements mean. This dynamic affects how states work together on issues like resource sharing or boundary disputes. It allows states to solve regional problems with formal agreements, but also limits their independence. The impact is that state sovereignty becomes somewhat shared with the federal government through these compacts. This is a rarely discussed effect because many focus on the agreements themselves, not how they become federal law. It shows that cooperation between states can lead to a shift in power, with Congress and federal courts holding significant authority. So, the compact clause is more than just a tool for agreements. It subtly changes the balance of power in the United States. It turns state deals into federal rules, influencing how states and the federal government interact in many areas of policy and law.